Hi guys, it's here, it's here. Okay, so this is what I use in my previous video. It's the NAPA 4003 model. This is just a fuel filter. No baffles inside. This is a fuel filter, but this is a very sturdy, rigid, made of solid aluminum, and has a rubberized outer layer so you can grab it without getting burned. Okay, so this is NAPA 4003, and I don't think they produce this anymore. Good thing I got one before they stop producing. And I don't know if this is the replacement, because if you look for NAPA 4003, this is the model that appears in your search bar, and it arrived today. So let's see, mail call, if it's the same. I will be disappointed if it's smaller or thinner than the NAPA 4003. NAPA 4003. Whew! Moment of truth. Okay. Looks promising. It looks... Does it look smaller? This is the Wix WF 10429. This is the model number. 10429. Moment of truth. Is it the replacement of 4003? What is this? It came with lubricant. Danger, chemical. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use that. It looks like it. It looks like it. It looks like it. Yep. NAPA 4003 WF 10429. They look the same. No. 4003 is a little, it's a tad bigger in diameter. It's a little bit smaller. Yeah, this is a little bit smaller, but still, yeah, a little bit. No, they are on the same length, but this is slightly bigger in diameter. Or it's just an optical illusion. I don't know. They look the same. They look the same. If you switch it to the right, it looks bigger. Huh. This is the 4003. The business end. Let's take the cover. Yeah, I think it's the same. It's the same. So this looks wider or bigger. Is it? I don't know. So I don't know if this is no longer available, and this replaced it. 10429. 10429. 10429. I tried to open the 4003. No, I can't. It's just one. Okay. There's something blocking the inside. Well, the 4003 have an adapter. Something's blocking it. Okay. Yep. Something's blocking it. Okay, alright. Oh well. This doesn't get hot because this is thick rubber. The outside, it's rubber. Mm. Maybe that's to discourage people from using it from its intended purpose. Hello, hello, hello. Anyway, just a quick video. 4003 is gone. This is what you will find. Still looks, this still feels bigger in girth. I don't know, but they look the same, except for that. Anyway, guys, so if you're looking for this, you can't find this anymore. And if you can't find one, tell me. This, just bought it online. Bye.